This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the basics. Your Android phone uses the Messages app as default and has internet. Once done, open Messages. Google com/web on your computer. The page waits for a QR. On your phone, open Messages, tap the three dots, choose Device Pairing or Messages for web, and select QR code scanner. Point the phone at the computer screen to pair. This step links your phone's SMS/MMS and RCS to the web client so messages sync. Once paired, you interact with conversations like on your phone but with keyboard speed. Click the new message icon to start or use the search box to find contacts and messages. This saves time when threads pile up. Attach photos, files, GIF, or voice notes using the paperclip and media buttons. Large files upload through your phone. Make sure to manage threads, archive or mute noisy group chats so important messages stay visible. These actions keep your inbox focused and faster to navigate. To finish, sign out on the web or from the phone when you're done, especially on shared computers. Remember, this computer is convenient but risky on public devices. If messages stop syncing, make sure your phone stays online and the Messages app has required permissions. Try rescanning the QR code to re-establish the link. If problems persist, clear the browser cache, update your browser and the Messages app, or restart both devices. These fixes resolve most connection and media upload issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.